The Max Air purifiers are available in 4 sizes with coverage areas from 526 square feet to 1,524 square feet and delivery ratings from 141 CFM to 410 CFM. They feature HEPA silent technology which combines electrostatic and mechanical filtration for quiet and efficient operation. They have washable fabric pre-filters that are available in several colors to match the decor of the home, and they are backed by a good guarantee when registered. The units have integrated air sensors with an auto mode to control the 3-speed fan. The units are Wi-Fi enabled and can be controlled through the Blueair app, where you can set up voice control as well as geofencing. The units are very quiet on low speed with a noise rating of 23 decibels, which is much lower than a Whisper, and they offer a 60-day home trial. The units can be purchased online through their Amazon store. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.